All right, so welcome back, Matugu. This is our accounting lesson 3, video C. So we're proceeding to discuss that question on the debtors control account. I believe this was question what? Question I, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that's what we're trying to address. Let me just add a few blocks here. So on that page, I'm going to navigate again. Let's take what I stated you need to transfer from the debtors journal. It will be the total for the debtors control column. How much are we taking from this?
Sorry, sir.
From the debtors journal.
So you're taking the 142,000.
100 and what?
You're taking the wait. So you want to know what we're putting on the debit side of the debtors control?
Correct. Yes. From here.
Yes. So you're gonna put the 142,871.
Absolutely. And it goes to the debtor side. I mean debit side, sorry. It's 142.
Yes, sir.
Let me see.
871.
Oh, 871. Point.
42.42.
0.42, right? So you put it like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beautiful. So it has to be like that. So that what? Oh, that was page 37. Let's go to page 38 now.
Okay.
So let's have a look at page 38. It's not this one. That's your page 38. What did I say about the debtors allowance? Do you know what amount are we taking? And which side of the debtors control is it going to be recorded in?
So it's going to be recorded in the credit side, and then you're going to take the debtors control amount, like the final amount.
Absolutely. So here you have to put, obviously, by the way, the dates don't, this is on the 30th of June, okay? This is on the 30th of June, in this case. And then, of course, on the details column, what are we going to record? That's your sales returns, right?
Yes.
Sales returns. Where is it coming from? The debtors allowance journal. How much is the amount?
Yes. The amount is 22,000.
Yeah.
456.20.
22,456 point what?
0.20.
0.20. Yeah.
Yes.
Just to be recorded like that. And that's it from that journal. And then we go on to the next one. So what is the next journal? It's the cash book receipts, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here it is. Don't know if you can see clearly, but since you have the textbook here, you can be able to see it
No,
clearly. Yeah. So which side did I say it's supposed to go to?
So it has to go to the credit side.
To the credit side, right? Because the customer is paying, right?
Yes.
So you're gonna write bank over here. Excuse me. Coming from the CRJ. Bless me. And how much is the amount, young man?
It's 100 and wait. Oh no. Sorry. 67,000.
Yeah.
184.
Yes.
And 42 cents.
And 42 cents. Yeah. You always need to pay attention to detail, man. Especially with this thing. Hey, you can easily make a mistake.
Yes.
Yeah. but it's fine. All right. So, and then from the next journal, what is the next one? General journal, right?
Yes, sir.
The first one, what did you say about that first journal that you see in the general journal? The settlement discount. Which
So
side
that's to
is
go to
supposed to
the
go? Sorry?
so it goes to the credit side.
Absolutely. Because we offer discount. And how much is the amount? 1,861.91, right?
No, 81. But yeah,
Oh,
81.
0.81. Sorry. Oh, I put 91. All right, all right. I wanted to test if
Yes,
you're paying attention to detail.
yes.
No problem. No, that was just a mistake. Anyways,
Nah,
so
no stress.
yeah, and then the next one, it's what? And oh,
So
the
it's
date. Let me put the date here. So that's on the 11th of June. This one is on the 30th of June. Okay, and then the next one,
okay, so it says
balance transferred.
yeah, balance transferred. So
Yeah, we're just taking out that balance. We're just taking out that balance. So you're gonna put it here on the credit side. So I'll just call it correction of error. All right. So it's a correction of error or transfer of balance. Let's just put it the way it is. Balance transferred to make it easier. Balance transferred. And it's coming from the general journal. And how much is the amount?
um 36,738.
Right. I'll explain to you why it's called balanced transferred. The reason why it's called balance transferred, it could be that they had recorded this individual, K Crank, as a debtor, whereas the person was a creditor to the business. So this is normally as a result of error. So I'm gonna just put error correction. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all we're doing there. So I'll put that in red so that it's part of your notes. Right, something like that. Then we go to the next one. Credit losses, it goes here. Coming from the general journal. And how much is the amount?
It's 34,002.
Not that one. Not that one. Remember, there's that one.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Oh, so I have to focus on the credit side.
Oh, yeah. No, focus on the one that's written debtors control. Anything written debtors control, that's what we are interested in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if
So
it's
it's the
credited, it just goes there to the credit side.
oh, okay.
39,102. I don't know if it has any sense, 0.97, right?
Yes, 97.
Okay, the balance transfer did not have sense. It did. How much was the sense?
It was balance transfer.
It was 36 cents.
Yeah, 36. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. And then the next one on page 39. So we're looking at this one here for the sake of your recording. So this was page 38. We've just concluded recording all of these other transactions. So we've already recorded these transactions. So we want to move to the other page, that is page 39. I believe it should be this over here. So we are told the debtors, there's an interest on overdue account. So we want to record that. So here, let's put the date. What date was it, young man? It's on the 30th of June, right?
Yeah, 30th, yeah.
So you're going to write interest on overdue account. Interest on overdue account according to the general journal. And how much is the amount, young man?
It's 302.67 cents.
And 67 cents. Right. But
Yes.
something else happened. What did they do on the next transaction? They reversed that, right?
Okay, yes, yes.
And there's a reason why they reversed it, obviously. It's because of the credit losses, probably.
Oh, okay.
Mhm. So the credit losses happen on 30. So if you're canceling the whole thing, so why would you still keep the interest if you're if you're closing off the account, you will not even have to keep the credit losses. So here I'm gonna say reversal of interest on overdue account. Reversal of interest on overdue account. Again, it's coming from the general journal. The amount is the same, 302.67, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Don't see anything else that we have left out. I believe everything was captured. I believe everything was captured there. So the next step, young man, let's look at additional info. They said Zilla Hardware received a bank statement on 30 June. The following entries appeared on the bank statement. H owner had deposited the amount owing directly into the bank account on 30 June 20.9. Okay, no problem. That would affect the other question, which is obviously question 2, right? But that's not what we're focusing on. I wanted us to give attention to this for today. So what you do, young man, you have captured everything that is supposed to be here. So the
Yes,
next
sir.
step is to balance the account. How do you balance the account? You
So you
totalize
just add all of the amounts together.
exactly. And to identify what?
The,
To identify the lesser side. That's why you're doing that. Because the lesser side, that's where you put your closing balance in this ledger account. Are we together there?
oh, okay. Yes, sir.
So that's the next step we just need to do. So let's aggregate this side. Okay, when I add this side, and then I'll add this side, and then we'll compare the figures.
Okay, yes, sir.
So we've got 22,456, and 20 plus 67, 184, and 42 plus 1861.81 plus 36, 738.36 plus 39, 102.97 plus 302.67. I'm getting something like 160 something thousand for this side. Clearly, it's less than this side because already here we've got 142,000 plus this 49,000. It implies that which side is lesser here between the two, debit or credit side?
The credit side is lesser.
That's where you put your balance carried down.
Oh, okay.
See the logic?
Yes, yes, yes.
And then from there, what do you do after you've indicated the balance carried down? You totalize the bigger side. Put the total for the bigger side there. And so let's find out how much is it for the bigger side. You are the one that did the calculation.
It's 192,955.8 cents.
192, then 900,
55.8
okay,
cents.
like this.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. This is the total for the bigger side. Transfer it here to the lesser side, young men, and then we subtract we subtract the lesser side. Okay. I'll show you now. What do I mean? So the total for the lesser side, it was 167,646.43. So I'm just simply going to say 192,955.08 less that 167. So to give us something like 25,308.65. So this amount, young
Yes,
man,
yes.
that's your closing balance as on which date?
I'm not
30
sure.
June. So it will be the closing balance at the end of the month of June.
Okay.
But
Okay.
remember in the next month, which will be in the month of July, it becomes your opening balance. So it will be your balance brought down 25,308.65 like this. Are we together? So I'm going to just put these amounts with a different color. I just use blue so you can see the connection. Do you see that?
Yes, yes, yes.
So on the one side, it is the closing balance as at 30 June 20.9. Are we together? And then
This thing is simple, yeah.
yeah.
Ish, ish, ish. Simple.
If it's properly explained, it is.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah. So that's all you needed to do, bro, for question one. So this is your closing balance as a 30 June on the credit side, and then comes the opening balance on the 1st of July in the next month. I mean, 1st of July, of course, but on the debit side. So that's the debtors control. Just compare it against the solution that they've given you at the back of the book just to check.
Like the memo, no?
Yeah, with the memo. Yes, yeah.
Okay, on the debit side, it's correct. And then, yeah, so now the credit side also, it's proper. So,
It's proper 100%, right?
yes.
Yeah, and I don't even have your textbook with me. So
Yes,
yeah,
no.
yeah. So so it's hundreds. You're on point. So
Okay.
that's what debtors
So I
control.
think
Mm.
I think the issue I had was the balance on the credit side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably that could have been the issue, but nonetheless, this is it. This is it for question one. So I want to give you a homework to try question two on your own, and then what I'll do
Okay.
tomorrow, we can then take it from there. So
Okay.
tomorrow we'll
So
do the other
can
question. Yeah.
so can we okay tomorrow can we please do let me just check
Creditors,
uh,
creditors control.
yes, and then also I wanted to do 2.6.
Question 2.6. That's fine,
Yes.
but it's not a problem. We can do that.
Okay.
Can do that
Okay,
by.
sir.
Away. All right.
Thank you, sir.
I think that's all, bro. I don't know if you have any questions for me before we close.
Now on my side I'm fine, sir.
You're good. No problem. So I'll send you
100%.
the recordings tomorrow, first thing in the morning, of what we've covered today, and then we'll take it from there.